In this video, I will share 3 secrets to make $10,000 per month. Think about what you would do with the money and how it will change your life. Find your why for even trying to make $10,000 per month. This part is important because this will make you take action and get results. What we are about to tell you is proven to work. We have been doing this for years and we built a 7-figure per year business based on these methods. And not only us, thousands of other people are doing this. And the best part is that this is going to be pretty passive income master plan for you. This income will add up over time and it will easily make a 5-figure per month income. And if you consistently build this up, you will make 6 figures or even 7 figures per month. So let's jump right in. First, teach people. That's one of the ways I started to make money online back when I started. I saw people buying courses and coaching programs on Udemy, Skillshare, and Warrior Forum. That time, Warrior Forum was super hot. I saw people selling and buying thousands of dollars worth of courses every day. Because I was new to internet marketing, I had to learn everything new. And when I started those things myself, I recorded screencast videos. Then I offered those recording videos as training programs. This way, I made $1,500 to $2,000 profit per month selling courses on Warrior Forum. Now it's easier than ever before. There are customers everywhere on social media sites, and it's very easy to find targeted customers that follow influencers, products, and companies. Example, if you want to sell email marketing related products, then you can target followers of email marketing influencers or email marketing softwares for related companies. If you go to Udemy and Skillshare, you will see thousands of people are buying courses on how to use Gmail. Sounds easy, right? There are obviously something you already know how to do. Maybe it's playing guitar, an online programming language, or even yoga. And believe me or not, people regularly look for these skills online. But are you thinking that you are not qualified enough? Chill. You do not need to have a college degree or decades of experience. You will need 2 things. 1, basic knowledge of what you will be teaching. 2, communication skills to pass your knowledge to the people. Let's say you start teaching an online English course and charge $30 per hour. At first, this may not seem like much, but don't worry, this will add up. The more students you will have, the more it will pay off in the long run. And you can run this kind of program in a group. So you can basically teach a lot of people using Zoom or softwares like that in just 1 hour. If you charge $30 per hour and teach 10 people on a Zoom call, you make $300 for 1 hour of work. In 10 hours, you make $3,000. Sounds cool? This is what Shayna Oliveira does on her website Espresso English. She's making $10,000 a month consistently by selling her courses and ebooks on Espresso English. If you Google her website, you see she has over 100,000 students. Astonishing number, right? But did she do anything super complicated? No, she just shared the knowledge she already had. Not only that, she promoted it so well that her clients and students come back and recommend her services to others. So there is no reason why you shouldn't start now. Also, if you become popular, you can earn from views and advertising on YouTube. You can create your own website around your niche where you can sell books, offer a paid membership, or sell ad space. You can bundle up your training and recordings as a course and sell on Udemy and Skillshare. Let's talk about the second one, selling things you make. I quickly figured that product creators make the most amount of money. They get affiliates to send customers to them and they build the list of customers. They become influencers fast and those customers and followers buy from them over and over again. This helped me make another $7,000 per month income in a very short time. I saw a lot of people buying and selling private label rights articles. So I purchased 1,000 articles articles from somewhere, I started giving away 100 of them for free in exchange of subscribing to my mailing list. Then I offered the subscribers the remaining 900 articles for a one-time price, and I offered 100 brand new articles every single month for a monthly recurring subscription as an upsell. This way, I started building a list of subscribers, a list of customers, and a valuable list of recurring paying customers. After some time, I checked back my numbers and I found the subscription rate, conversion rate, and churn rate are constant. So I started to drive more and more traffic through paid advertisements. This way, I scaled up my product selling business up to $5,000 a month to $7,000 a month net profit. But that's not all. These subscribers and customers made me a lot more money when I promoted affiliate offers to them. We will discuss that in the next section. Stay tuned. By the way, if you like this video so far, please like this video. This way you tell YouTube that this video is good and they will promote this video to more viewers like you. If you are creative and crafty, you can make extra money by selling craft. This can be folklore items related to where you live or where you're from. This can be art, paintings, or souvenirs. So how will you start? You can post your handmade items on Facebook and test the demand. You need to understand whether you have an audience or not. You can also try Etsy. Etsy is a popular online marketplace. Here, people sell their handmade items. They can either be physical goods or digital printable PDFs for your design. So what you need to do is to create an account and start posting the product you are offering. This way, you can quickly boost your monthly income and generate a steady stream of income. But here, you need to think outside the box. You need to come up with creative ideas, show your creativity on hand knitting, clothing, costume jewelry, handmade purses, and anything else that comes to mind. Be patient and keep promoting your product. Stay updated on the recent trends and what people are looking for. Solve their issues, and in no time, you will start to earn 5 figures per month. Now we will talk about the last one, promoting other people's products. While you are watching this video, you might have told yourself that you have nothing to sell. You can make nothing with your own hands and no exclusive knowledge worth sharing. Don't worry. If you can't do any of those, you can dive into a world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing does not require you to be overly creative or have a special skill. All you need to do is to promote existing products that are already created or manufactured by someone else. This is really simple. You promote a product. If the customer purchases through your referral link, you receive a commission. Commissions can be either a fixed rate or a percentage of sale. You need to send emails or shout outs and you will be able to earn $10,000 just by doing that. But why would you believe me? Let's talk about someone who succeeded using the same trick. Oh, that's me. I simply acquire subscribers and customers from all different sources to my email list, and then I promote affiliate offers to them by simply sending emails. When I promote an offer that has a lot of competition, I offer good bonus so people choose to purchase from me, and I make $30,000 to $50,000 per month from affiliate marketing alone. Pretty sweet, right? Of course, this is not an average result. Most people don't even make a fraction of that income, but it's a good example of potential income that you can explore. In top affiliate marketing programs, affiliate payouts can be anywhere from $50 to $1,000 per sale. To be honest, there is no secret. The secret is try different things and find out what's working for you the best. Then do it over a lot of times, consistently and relentlessly. Then find out how to scale up your income. That's the secret. This is it. I shared 3 secrets to making $10,000 per month, but now it's up to you. Your consistent hard work and a bit of passion are all you need to start this journey. So what are you waiting for? If you love this video, please press the like button. This will help us reach more viewers like you, and please subscribe and switch on the notification bell button to get notified every time we post a new video. And I will see you in the next video.